How's it going, everybody? Just getting around to making this unboxing video. I've been busy trying to deal with funding an account for some penny stock trading. It's been really frustrating and more than it should be, and dealing with a couple different brokers. And I laughed. I watched one of Raw Dog's videos, and it was pretty funny where he's going about, how the penny stock OTC companies are bogus, and there's a lot of truth to that. Some of them, probably sometimes you can run across something good, but a lot of them seem to be completely bogus. Some of their press releases and, news update bulletins and whatever they're calling them, totally off the wall, and some of it just doesn't make any sense. And they seem to have a lot of hype behind them and a lot of buzz. I'm wondering if some of that has to do with that Wolf of Wall Street movie. I know that was pretty popular, and I don't know if that's kind of made a big buzz around the penny stocks, or if it's always been like that. But a couple of them kind of made me laugh. I was into one, and there was all this hype about it, and supposedly they were putting up a website and all this stuff, and their website that they had announced launching was delayed, and they never put up the website, and that just blows my mind. It's not that hard to do, and if you were a company and releasing press releases about a launch date for a website, it seems like you'd be able to make that happen on time. And they also put out a statement that they had partnered with Lloyd's of London and some other stuff that just kind of seemed laughable to me. So I guess it's all in how you spin it. I could say I'm in a business negotiation partnership with AT&T, but that really just means that I get my internet service through AT&T, and doesn't mean a whole lot. So you can spin it however you want. I mean, I could call up some big company and say I'm in negotiations with them. So I think that's a lot of what these press releases are, is kind of putting a positive spin on some kind of bogus news. But anyways, I'd done pretty well with one, and they stopped selling it to me. They put a DTC freeze, I guess it was called, on it, and I had to go through a different broker, and just kind of annoying, and not real impressed with the broker. And make some money on them, lose some money on them. It's fun, it's exciting, but some of them I don't have a lot of faith in, and just kind of try and make a little profit, some percentages, and then sell it and take advantage of that. So if nothing else, it's interesting. But I just thought he was right, and a lot of them are bogus, and that's why they're, worth less than a penny a share and stuff like that. So, but alright, gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, and just thought I'd share that with you. So, this is gonna be some stuff that I picked up while the eBay was having their eBay Bucks quadruple offer, and I got a pretty good deal, and pretty excited about it. So, it's a lot of good stuff. I don't know what's going on with them only offering those deals to certain people, and it doesn't seem to be any consistency to it, but I was happy that I got the offers and managed to accumulate some really nice eBay bucks this month. And they don't allow it in the bullion category, so if you look, you have to find things that aren't listed as bullion, so you have to search coins and stuff like that. So anyways, enough rambling. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And this was from APMEX Ebay. I've been really happy with them, other than the fact that on some things, if you get away from the bullion coins and more into, I don't know what you'd call them, but like older coins and stuff, they don't show a picture of the actual coin, so it's pretty disappointing. I think they're just kind of too big for eBay, so they're not always... The descriptions aren't the best. So if you're buying, Eagles or something like that, it's great, you can get a good deal. If you're buying like a Morgan dollar or something, you might be disappointed because the one they picture is probably not representative of what you'd receive. So anyways, here's a little package I got from APMEX, quadruple eBay bucks on that, and just a small little tube here. See if I can go ahead and get this open. some good tape on these. So I picked these up. This is going to be the first I've gotten of these. So I should have been ready with the knife here for the tape. But this is the first roll of these I've ever picked up. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's supposed to be a mix, so I guess I'll see what they gave me here, as far as if there's a variety or if they're all the same. But I kind of intentionally stayed away from these, and then after seeing some people picking them up, I decided to go for it. I know Brian the Log has been getting some of these. They look really nice, so I just decided I wanted to pick some up. And so here they are. These are going to be the proof 90% quarters. That one, I don't know what's going on with that. But, so that's going to be modern 90% silver. And I chose to stay away from these just because that they are producing clad versions of these. And these are modern coins, 90% silver. And a lot of people aren't aware or familiar with that. So I thought, you know, liquidity might be some sort of an issue, where I don't know how much demand there is for these. And then on top of that, in the future, I wouldn't want these getting, you know, mixed in with regular quarters. So I wouldn't want to, you know, see somebody dump these things into the Coinstar or something. So that's kind of my fear with these. But I went ahead and picked up a tube, and they look pretty nice, and I got a good deal on them, if I can get this into focus. And I thought it was good to be able to get these where they're in good condition. There's really no wear on them. And yeah, pretty cool. Nice designs on all of these. I really like them a lot. Let's see what we can do here. Sorry for all the blur, guys. This autofocus is a little but yeah, pretty nice little change from the normal junk silver. So they gave me a good variety of designs here. Let me know what you think about these modern 90% releases. I think I paid, after the quadruple eBay bucks, somewhere around $15 you know, per dollar face value, 15 times face, which I think is probably pretty good for these. Let me know what your opinions are. And as far as the stocks, I thought I'll just talk about it. It's, you know, kind of interesting to me. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. Make some profits. I also lose some. I've been posting on Instagram for anybody interested, the results of my daily trades. But you know, I find it a good way to try and increase my money and, you know, earn some profits. And it's really fun. It's interesting. But just for the record, I have zero faith in the stocks, the stock market,